Someone told me the other day that they did not want to go camping because they don't want to sit around a campground and not do anything. I was more than happy to share that there are numerous things you can do outside of the campground. Here is some things that we did not too long ago when we were staying somewhere and didn't want to stay where we were at. We went out and explored this cool farm that had these wild wood structures out in the woods. They had some beautiful tulips and dandelions that you could actually clip, and they had all kinds of flowers and vegetables, coffee, ice cream. It was a great little find. So we explored this place for a little while. I mean, sure, this beats sitting around the campground not doing anything. What do you think? What do you think about that big wooden guy in the trees? Oh, I forgot to mention, there's a gigantic troll in the ground. You can crawl up and into his mouth, but don't climb on his head. We also got the opportunity to go explore a place called Bennett Place. This is where General Sherman and General Johnston got together and signed a treaty that was the largest surrender in the southern part of the Civil War and helped bring an end to the Civil War. Now the buildings are not original, but it was still very cool to look and see. They did a great job at making everything look periodic. So you can get out of the campground and find things that you never knew about. All you have to do is be willing to get out and do it.